currently in Austin, Texas.
Beautiful Austin, Texas.
Yeah, I'm sick of these f***ing pieces of shit.
Welcome to Austin, Texas. Well, we're about to leave Austin, Texas, but welcome to a new vlog, guys. My name's Steve.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Tall.
We are both traveling around the United States. This is Alex, our couch surfing host, who was so nice to take us in for 2 days, but now we're leaving him. It is 8:17 a.m. We're leaving Alex's place here in Austin, Texas, so let's see what time we make it to Phoenix, Arizona. If you're not already familiar with couch surfing, that's what we're gonna be using pretty frequently throughout this trip, because couch surfing is a website and a mobile app that connects travelers with people who are willing to host them for free. So for example, we just stayed with Alex, didn't have to pay him anything, we just paid him in kindness and travel stories. Yeah. All right, let's begin this journey. So I forgot to mention this in my outro last night, or
really any part of my vlog yesterday,
how much I really enjoy this city of Austin. It has such a friendly vibe. People were so welcoming here. People walking around just coming up to us, talking to us, and not just saying hi, like actually engaging in conversation, and just good vibes here.
I think compared also from where me and Steve come, like where our hometowns are, the attitude here is so radically different. Like people are just willing to strike up conversations left and right with complete strangers, like, which is really cool.
He's from Miami and I'm from New York, Long Island, and people are just a little more closed off and just reserved and selfish there.
Kind of in their own bubble.
Yeah, but here it's more of everyone's in the same bubble.
Yeah, one big bubble.
One big happy bubble.
One big Auden bubble.
Alright folks, welcome to the first episode of how to stay fit while in a car. Here we go, we're gonna do ab exercises. All you gotta do is take your seat, put it all the way back, and then bring your knees to your chest. 1, 2. Woo, baby! Keep those abs in shape. Straight road trip! Extreme workout road trip edition, yeah! Hello, we are somewhere that I have no idea, but I just drove for like another 3.5 hours and we are entering the desert. Look at all this beautiful nothingness.
So dry, guys. It's so dry. There's nothing.
So we are experiencing some technical difficulties with this vehicle. Nothing too major, but some lights have shown up. Actually yesterday, we had 3 lights, like warning lights on the dashboard come up. One was the anti-lock brake system, another was the 4-wheel drive, and then what was the other one? The
tire skidding, I forgot, the traction control.
Traction control. So we were doing some YouTube research and found out that it might be an easy fix. I think we just need to take the tire off. What YouTube has told us is it's probably the brake sensor, the wheel sensor, something like that. With our combined knowledge of cars, we have pretty much we don't know anything about cars. So this is gonna be interesting. We're gonna try to fix this ourselves.
Hi, Steve's vlog. We found this in my car. I had suspicions that I had it, but this is a sort of screwdriver thing. It's like it's like the least manly thing is to not know about parts in the car. I feel like a little bitch right now. It's like I'm just holding random metal. It's just random metal parts. The location located. We got the jack located. We got the wrench-like thing for the jack. We can begin jacking it up.
So see right here where there's a little ridge?
Yeah.
You take that ridge and align it. There's the metal frame. The metal frame will sit right in between that ridge.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
See?
That's easy.
Yeah.
Is how 2 YouTubers fix up a car.
Let's lug these nuts up. Ow, sugar mama. Earlier we were talking about workouts on the road. Here we go, got another one. All you gotta do is remove a tire. You just gotta take these lug nuts off like this. You're gonna put them on. All right, so we got the lug nuts off. Now it's time to pull the tire off. You wanna do the honors?
Yes.
Okay.
Just like that.
All right, so we got the wheel off. Now we just need to locate the ABS sensor, which I don't know how to do that. I know how to take a tire off. I've actually changed my own oil a few times, thanks to my roommate Alfred in college, who taught me how to do that. But I don't know what the ABS sensor looks like, but thankfully we have the internet, so we're gonna ask Google.
And in here I can see that there is some interesting things.
This is why I love YouTube. It's funny how we're making a YouTube video right now, watching a YouTube video, trying to fix this car. Hopefully we can. All right guys, we bought some tools.
One of these is gonna do the trick. So do we?
You just put one on there? Nope.
This goes in here? Yeah. That. We're filmmakers, what do you want? It's literally, this whole vlog will just be in this gas station. I'm gonna play with the nuts.
That's what she said.
But if you get it at an angle, it clicks.
Ta-da! Look at that. Here you go.
You gotta look.
Plug this nut.
Plug that nut out.
He's getting in there.
No. It doesn't fit.
So a friendly stranger pulled over. He saw our tire off and asked if we needed some help, and he knows much more about cars than we do. Thank you so much. Take care, brother.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
If this isn't it, we're hightailing it to Phoenix. Everyone and their mother has confirmed to us that this is not a big deal either way. And
the light is still on. Those are the lights we're dealing with. He said the only thing you really have to worry about is the temperature gauge. He said if the temperature is going up, then pull over. But the ABS system, don't worry about it. But the only issue with us is, for some reason, when that's on, the cruise control won't work, which sucks because cruise control would be really nice when you're just driving on a straight road. But whatever, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. It'll be all right. All right, after a quick 2-hour detour, we are back on the road. Didn't fix anything, but we feel better that we tried. All right, we have another 8 hours until we reach Phoenix, or Tempe, that's the place. Tempe? Tempe?
Tempe.
Tempe. Temp? I don't know how to say it. We'll figure it out when we get there. New Mexico. New Mexico.
Sí, New Mexico.
Woo! We have made it to New Mexico. Bam, 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 bam. All right, that's it. How you feeling, Tom?
Oh my God, I'm still in the angle. I can't get out of the camera.
Wide angle, you can never escape it. We're only about 3 hours away, I think, right?
Yeah, 3.5 hours left.
Cool, so we're gonna fill up this tank with some giggity gasoline. Pump it louder. We're hitting that point where we're getting a little delirious. We've been in the car for over 12 hours. So it's like,
once you go Backstreet Boys, it starts getting weird a
yeah.
little bit.
My fire, the one. Dance party in a gas station. What? We get a free car wash. So I was washing the whole entire car with the little scrubby spongies.
Hi, it's me, Mr. Clean the Wash Car.
All right, back on the road. Let's do this. Another 3 or 3.5 hours till we get to Tempe, Tempe,
Arizona.
Tempe, Arizona. All right, I'm driving, and I'm not gonna film anymore, so we'll see you when we get to Sushi's place. Bye. All right, guys, we have made it to Tempe. I guess that is how you say it.
That is
and
how
we
you
are
say
with
it.
our couch surfing host, Sushmita.
You call me Sushi or
Sushi? What's up?
Hey.
Well, Sushi has some cool dogs. Can you introduce your dogs too?
Absolutely. So this is my dog, Brooklyn. She's the love of my life.
Now
my
she's
best friend in the whole world.
Now she's my love.
And the other 2 dogs are actually foster dogs.
Guys, it's puppy heaven. I'm in love with, look at this little puppy. They're so cute.
They're just so excited.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed traveling with us all the way from Austin, Texas to here. We're now in Tempe, Arizona. We're gonna stay here for tomorrow, maybe explore Tempe, maybe explore Phoenix, because we're not too far from Phoenix, right?
We're very close. Tempe's central to everything.
Cool. So tomorrow's gonna be another exploring day, and of course we're gonna bring you with us. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that beautiful button. Also, to Tal's channel as well. Make sure.
Hi, check me out, guys. I'm holding a puppy.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night. So we're walking around downtown Phoenix trying to approach strangers and ask them what they like about Phoenix. So if we ask you what do you enjoy about Phoenix, what would you say?
I would say